Welcome back to Advanced Career Institute, Truckers. Today, we'll share some helpful hints for making your trucking profession easier and more productive. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these pointers will help you negotiate the road with ease. So, let's get started. 10 trucking tips to make your job easier. Tip number 1: careful trip planning. The first point to consider is thorough trip planning. Before you take the road, make sure you have a well-planned route that includes rest stops, gas stations, and probable road closures. This will save you time and make your journey less stressful. Tip number 2: keep your truck in good condition. It is critical to keep your truck in good working order. Check the tires, brakes, and all mechanical components on a regular basis to guarantee your car is in good working order. A well-kept truck is not only safer, but it is also more fuel efficient. Tip number 3: get your cabin organized. Because your truck cabin is your home on the road, keeping it organized is essential. To keep your belongings in order, use storage containers and organizers. This will make it easy to find what you need and will make your living environment more comfortable. Tip number 4: invest in comfort. When it comes to comfort, investing in a good mattress and ergonomic seat cushions can significantly improve your general well-being on lengthy flights. A good night's sleep and comfortable seats can make or break your trip. Tip number 5: stay informed. Keep up with the latest weather and traffic information. Install weather and traffic applications on your smartphone and check them on a daily basis to prevent delays and hazardous circumstances. Tip number 6: plan your meals. Meal planning ahead of time can save you both time and money. Stock up on non-perishable foods and consider purchasing a small refrigerator or cooler for perishable items. On the road, eating healthily can help you stay focused and energized. Tip number 7: make good use of technology. On the road, technology is your best friend. For added safety, use GPS apps for navigation and consider purchasing a dashcam. To ensure compliance with requirements, utilize electronic logging devices, ELDs. Tip number 8: maintain a positive attitude. Trucking can be difficult, but keeping a cheerful attitude is essential. Concentrate on the job's benefits, such as the freedom of the open road and the chance to visit new areas. To combat loneliness, maintain contact with loved ones. Tip number 9: exercise on a regular basis. Don't forget to get some exercise. Stretch and go for brief walks during your breaks to keep your body and mind fit. Exercise can aid in the reduction of weariness and stress. Tip number 10: get involved in a trucking community. Finally, consider becoming a member of a trucking community or forum. Connecting with other truckers can bring useful ideas, support, and a sense of camaraderie, making your job less lonely. So there you have it, 10 suggestions for making your trucking work easier and more pleasant. Remember that appropriate planning, upkeep, and taking care of oneself, both physically and mentally, are essential. For more information on Advanced Career Institute, please call +1 702 476 5067 or apply online at applycdlvegas.com. If you found these recommendations useful, please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more useful material. Safe travels, truckers, and we'll see you in the next one.